Gibberlins. There are more than 100 gibberlins known and they are named as GA1, GA2, GA3 and so on. They are helpful in increasing the length of axis used in case of grapes. They are also used in case of apple for improvement of shape of the apple as well as elongation of the apple. GA3, which is gibberellic acid, is also used in brewing industry for speeding up the process of malting. Cytokinins. Cytokinins are majorly influential on cytokinesis in plants. They are helpful in breaking apical dormants. Ethylene. It is gaseous plant growth regulator. It is majorly found when there is senescence of fruits, leaves or flowers. It is very much responsible for the ripening of fruit. It breaks seed or bud dormancy. It induces flowering in pineapple as well as mango. It helps in increasing root nodules, roots and root hair, thus increasing the surface area for absorption for the plants. Abscisic acid. It is plant growth inhibitor. It inhibits plant growth as well as its metabolism. It is also known as stress hormone because it controls the opening of stomata so that the plant is able to withstand the stressed out external environmental condition. It is also responsible for plant growth, seed germination and plant growth and development. Photoperiodism. Certain plants, to induce flowering in them, they are required to be exposed to light, and these plants, they are able to sense this duration of exposed light, and there is a critical duration of light, exposure of light, which is required by plants to get flowers. Certain plants, they require less than this critical duration and are known as long day plants. Certain plants, they require more than the critical duration, are known as short day plants, and certain plants flowering doesn't matter at all to this exposure, they are known as day neutral plants. Vernalisation. Vernalisation is the process in which certain plants in them flowering, whether quantitatively or qualitatively, directly depends upon the exposure to low temperature, and this process is known as vernalisation. It is seen in case of wheat. The example can be wheat. There are two varieties of wheat, spring and winter.